The training journey for a half or full marathon is where all answers to the question of how to cross the finish can be found. Yet the journey is often outshined by the aggrandized celebration at the finish line. The build-up's importance should not be overshadowed, as the finish line is one final step, but the journey to get there was thousands. A hard-fought journey makes the destination that much more memorable. And if all is done right, this journey never really ends, as you make a commitment to strive to be better each and every day, to get the best out of yourself, to be your best for others. This is why we are running our respective Rock and Roll San Diego races. We are running on behalf of an organization who knows how to be there for those they serve each step of the way. An organization who uses one finish line as a catalyst to reach many more and touch countless more lives. This organization, the Autism Tree Project Foundation. Since 2003, the Autism Tree Project Foundation has been active in the San Francisco Bay Area and San Diego, reaching thousands of children with autism and their families to provide services through their 20 programs. These programs include early detection and preschool screenings, youth mentorship programs, STEM education, food and nutrition education, and so much more. The Autism Tree Project Foundation has unrelenting compassion and determination to be able to best serve children with autism, and most importantly, give them a platform to be heard. Thank you for joining us on this journey as we train for and run the Rock and Roll San Diego Marathon on the weekend of October 23rd and 24th. Your consideration of a donation to the Autism Tree Project Foundation means the world. Thank you.